Hey guys, welcome back to Gus's Plants. And so today you guys may notice that I'm filming with my phone as the quality is not the same as I usually do, but I have an unboxing here. This is an unboxing of a Hoya that I've been wanting for a while, and I found it three different ways. I found it as a cutting, I found it as a rooted cutting, and I found it as a mother plant. So anyways guys, if you guys are interested in knowing what Hoya I got here, just keep watching. Anyways, so I already opened the box, and this is from Plant the Studio. So like I said before, they had offering three of the same Hoya. They had the Hoya in a cutting, they had it in a rooted cutting, and then they have like a larger size Hoya, which is the one that I got. I haven't seen many videos about this Hoya. I haven't seen many people talk about it. When I use the hashtag on Instagram, I don't really get a lot of results. So I feel like it's not a Hoya that's properly, you know, exposed. So anyways, like with Plant the Studio, you get the care instructions in the back, and you also get their business card, but up to the Hoya here. It's a little bit different to film with the phone because the camera, it's not so big as with my DSLR, but here you go. This is Hoya Mirabilis Splash. Hoya Mirabilis Splash. Like always, look at that. Now, from the pictures that I was seeing online, it seemed to be like a larger size Hoya. Seeing it here, it looks like it's not gonna be that big. But anyways, Mirabilis Splash, Hoya Mirabilis Splash, it has narrow, tiny, long leaves, but splashes, and they're very like deformed. They're not like even leaves. They're kind of like wiggly. It's like a very, it's kind of like a Jurassic Hoya. The leaves are very weird, and you can see some of the leaves right there on top. You can see right there. Okay. So it grows smaller leaves, but they're long and they're narrow and they have splash. I feel like this Hoya does not get enough credit, but anyways, here it is guys. Look at the leaves. This was, I believe this was $60. There you go. Let's take this out. All right, so let me just take it out and I'll show a close-up of how the Hoya looks. All right guys, so here it is. Look at the Hoya. It's very you can see what I'm talking about, the leaves being kind of like, you know, like they're wiggly and they're like tiny, but they also have splashes. I think it's a really good size Hoya. They had like a smaller one for like $40, and then they had one for like $65, and then they have this one for $75 for this one. But definitely it's supposed to be a fast grower. I'm just like the leaves, I'll do a close-up shot so you guys can see, but the leaves on this Hoya are very they're hard, and they're wiggly, they're wrinkly as well, and the splashes are just insane. It has a lot of area roots, which lets me know that it does like growing in humid conditions. It also has lots of tendrils growing, which looks overall super healthy. It's growing in these looks like it's growing like in some kind of pond or like white pond. I'm not sure what this is, but the Hoya looks in very nice healthy condition. I will be repotting this and putting it in cocoa husks, but it's just a great Hoya. Okay, so the reason why I got this Hoya is because I was watching a video from Doug Chamberlain about this Hoya, and his Hoya grew so much flowers, and like you can see the size of this Hoya, it grows very big umbels of flowers. They're like greenish yellowish, and they're huge and they're very fragrant according to what Doug Chamberlain mentioned. It's a very fast bloomer, and I love Hoyas because of their flowers as well. I like Hoyas because of their foliage, because of their pattern, because of their color, because of the flower, you know. But this Hoya, like I said, I've never really heard much about it up until I found it on Doug Chamberlain, and I was impressed with the Hoya because it's just such a nice, you know, weird and it grows little small little leaves like this one. Look, it grows small little leaves. Over here another small little leaf, and then as they get older they get you know, wrinkly and crinkly, and those splashes is very nice. So I'm really happy with this one. You can see right here it also has like a tendril growing on the bottom right here. There's a tendril. But yes, so I am very happy. I'll show you guys how I repot this and how it looks once I finish repotting it. Alright guys, and so here is the Hoya trellis. I inspected the leaves and it has no bugs. Didn't seem to have any kind of pests, so I put it up in coconut husks and I trellised it up counterclockwise so that the roots can grow. This right here is a huge peduncle that tendril that it was growing right here. You can see it's trellised already, and over here it also has another tendril growing over there in the back. But yeah, look at this Hoya. It's super nice. I got these little clips from Lowe's, but overall there's the Hoya. The leaves, once again, incredible leaves, super splashy, and it's already giving me a lot of growth, or arrived with a lot of growth. You can definitely see that. I think that this Hoya will be a showstopper. Like I said, I've never really heard much people talk about it, but you can see the leaves on that Hoya. This is just impeccable. You can see it's kind of like a mini Phuwuaensis in a way. The leaves are very similar to like a Hoya Phuwuaensis, but it's not. You can see those splashes there. So I'm very happy with this Hoya, and I hope that this Hoya grows really nice for me. You can see the splashes right there on this Hoya. Isn't this cute? Super nice Hoya, guys. Incredible. I'm gonna be putting this inside my greenhouse right here and letting it do its thing. Okay guys, and so here is the plant. I potted it up like I showed you guys earlier in coconut husks, and it's sitting under the grow light that I got from Vivo Sun, which is giving me great results already. But you can see right here, look at the leaves under the light. They look super nice. See how wrinkly and wiggly they are? Such a great Hoya, and I feel like this is a really nice size. I'm gonna put this back already, but I'm just loving this Hoya. Let me show you guys a quick update here on the grow light though. Here it is. You can see that one Hoya Mirabilis is getting sun stressed already quickly. Over here I have Hoya Mentioned, which is also getting a little bit sun stressed. Hoya Erythrina is actually already getting sun stressed. You can see right there, it's getting purple. This one as well. You can also see that the margin is getting a little dark. It's too soon for you guys to tell in the video, but in person you can definitely tell that it is getting a different color. Also, this leaf right here is also coming out a little bit orangey. New growth right there, and a new tendril coming out over here as well. So there you go, lots of new growth. Hoya Noel is also growing right here, and Hoya Joy is also giving me a margin and turning orange. Also have this one, but to open. So yeah.